The link to the product at the best price is in the description below. Hardwired floodlight camera with motion-activated 1080p HD video and live view. Customizable motion zones, two-way talk, real-time notifications, and a 105 dB security siren. Works with Alexa so you can hear audio announcements whenever motion is detected. See your yard from anywhere. Get real-time notifications when motion is detected around your driveway, garage, or in the backyard. Use the Ring app to see what's happening. Turn on the lights, speak to visitors, and even sound the siren when you need to. What's in view is up to you. Create your own motion zones to fine-tune which areas you want to focus on. You'll only receive alerts you care about most, and your privacy is always protected. Complete control from the Ring app. Receive real-time notifications on your phone and tablet. Get real-time video and audio with a live view button. Control and customize important security settings. Get exclusive features and save and share videos. Photos with an optional Ring Protect plan. Control everything with one simple app. Easy DIY installation. Turn off power at the breaker and remove existing fixture. Mount the bracket and connect wiring to the back of Floodlight cam. Wired Plus. Attached to the bracket, turn the power back on and continue setup in the Ring app.